So here's my Mach 3 control panel I made with the Shop-O-Matic brand name logo I kind of threw on there, just something I came up with. Real quick, let me go ahead and start turning on, let it boot up so you can see. Here's the main switch. You turn this on, it's going to flip a 30 amp relay that's going to turn on all the main power. You'll probably hear it all kick on, and this is like the PC power. It's supposed to be a momentary switch, haven't got that yet, it's being ordered. But that's booting up the PC and everything you can see down here. The first one's the PC, the second one, PC computer box there, holds all the electronics, motors, motor controls, power inverters, all that for the CNC machine, and then the other box in front of it there. That's actually the PC itself. But then the screen runs up to this little control panel. It's like a little 10-inch screen running from the PC, along with the keyboard and all these other functioning buttons for Mach 3. How I did this, a lot of people ask me if I added a second parallel port. I did not. You can use an iPack. I can't remember right off the Ultimark, I believe is who makes it. What it is, it's made for MAME arcades to add buttons and stuff for MAME arcades. And as you can see, all these actually look like arcade buttons. That's because they are. I had these laying around. Anyways, what the iPack will do is it's basically a keyboard encoder, and it tells the computer that all these buttons are basically keyboard commands, even though they're normal buttons on this panel, which gives you the ability to basically mimic an industrialized panel, but it's running off Mach 3. So let me show you here real quick. As you can see, it booted up right in the Mach 3. You have this reset button. It's going to reset it, as you can see, and then you can move it around with these joysticks. Along with your Z. You can also zero here, which will zero each axis. So if you move it around and then push the go to zero button, as you can see me doing here, it'll all move along itself. You can do a start cycle, your feed hold, feed stop, reset. You can change your feed rate up and down. And also these switches here are running a couple other, what's it called, relays. You have your router here, turn that on. And also the vacuum. The vacuum is right now connected to a shop vac. But that will actually be connected to a dust collector I'm going to be picking up here in a couple days. That'll hook up tubing to the router to pick up all the dust. But that's pretty much it. You can look at all the pictures on my website and how I made it. There's also some shots of the inside of this. Another thing is this keyboard too I got. It's a nice industrialized keyboard, all rubber, dust resistant, water resistant. It's all sealed along with like a mouse here. Just kind of a cool little all-in-one unit. I'm not even put on a swivel, so if I want to move it to wherever I'm working, I can. Great unit. Next thing I need to get is just a pennant to have along with it, and it'll be ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed it.